Movement Labs Incentivized Testnet is live now. Airdrop confirmed, raised 41.4 million from Binance Labs, Polychain Capital and more, cost, free, no investment. Movement Lab XYZ is a next-gen L2 which offers far greater security through Move and uses the parallelized Move VM, the first Move virtual machine L2 for Ethereum. Their incentivized testnet is live and there is 4 ways to participate. Key points: raised 41.4 mouse, invested by Binance Labs, mainnet, soon with airdrop, no refer. So everyone has equal opportunity set up wallet. Most important step, follow steps. We need to prepare 3-5 wallets of EVM, Sui and Aptos because each task supports different wallet. For EVM, use MetaMask. For Sui, use Razer and Sui wallet. For Aptos, use Petra and Nighty wallet. Now create new Razer wallet and import same phrase in all 3 wallet. Note, must select Aptos while importing. Select Aptos while importing. In Nighty wallet, connect all wallets with Galaxy. To track all activity, app.galaxy.com account setting. Click Aptos for Petra wallet. Click Sui for Sui wallet. Click Movement Aptos for Razer wallet. Nighty not available. Right now, we can connect later. Now we are ready to participate in airdrop event. Claim Faucet. Faucet Movement Labs XYZ. Claim all 3 one by one. Address is same as we import. Same wallet, just paste, same address, solve CAPTCHA and click on Get Move, authorize your Galaxy. Here there are 4 ways to participate. The Battle of Olympus, Dev, Building the Parthenon for all, Gmove campaign, Centurions. Let's discuss each one by one. 1. The Battle of Olympus, Dev. This is only for Dev, not for community users. 2. Building the Parthenon for all. Most important, focus on this. Visit testnet.movementlabs.xyz. Click on Quest. Now there are different roles for those who complete testnet quests, such as Pathfinders, Creators, Explorers, Scholars, Spartans. More roles, more incentive. Now click on Quest and complete task. On Galaxy, no investment. Pro tip, do not try to grab all 5 guild roles if you do not have sufficient time, as there will be more quests. First focus on 1 to 2 roles. These roles will play important role. We can grab all roles from guild. Soon guilds.movementlabs.xyz3. Gmove campaign. Keep saying Gmove on X. 4 Centurions. More details. TBA done. Just focus on second one more. You have time till SEP mainnet. Soon